Hi, this is David Martin doing my very first how-to video. The only reason I'm having to do this is because Glide Fishingpro canoes provide you with very little help in terms of setup, and having finally figured it out with very little assistance from the company, I thought I'd put this up here for other people who may run into similar problems. I apologise in advance if you have any knowledge of fishing canoes. I'm a novice, so lots of people will look at this and say, of course this is really obvious. If however you're in my situation, hopefully this might be helpful. The first thing is I had to replace the rails on which these pedals run. One of the things you don't want to do is try and insert the rails with this bar which locks the rudder in situ. You have to get an Allen key onto this little guy here, take this off, although it does appear to be a single piece of plastic. You'll then be able to remove both the pedal and the bar and actually screw it in. Another mistake that I made was sitting this rail down hard against the rail here. Once you do that, you find that when you screwed it in, you can't attach the pedal. You need to bring this probably at least 5 or 6 mils more anterior, more towards the top of the boat, so that this pedal will actually slide properly and not get caught. The next thing is to attach the cable, which did come pre-attached with the boat, to this rudder pedal assembly. After a couple of months going to the company that supplied it, they did provide me with a rather poorly worded and poorly photographed way of getting it done, but it doesn't really mean anything. The final picture, which shows you the assembled construct, doesn't actually resemble what I think we're supposed to do. I've finished on this side with the bar up, as we can see that the pedal assembly can slide backwards and forwards to allow people of different heights to use it. This is just a bar to put, or pedal to put your foot against, and this is the one that actually changes the rudder direction. So this has to be sitting up when you finally tensioned everything, as opposed to the photo that they have, which shows it sitting down like this, which would be fairly useless. I'll now show you how to string it up. Once again, I apologise to those people who know what they're doing, but as I say, hopefully it's helpful to newbies like me. Next thing is, this is the steering pedal. We take our wire, we feed it through the top hole, tension it up, you bring it back, you bring it back around this circular part of the pedal. There's a hole down the bottom. Feed that through. That sits on there. And you bring the pedal up. This is the bit that's going to steer. So you'll be pushing on that. And then the other part of getting this all tensioned is to feed it through a couple of holes down the end and put a cinch on it, which is not terribly difficult. It comes through this hole here and back up through the top, and I'm then going to just cinch it. I'll show you that to you at the end. And this would appear to be the finished product with 2 pedals which I can push on, and the rudder assembly does appear to work. Hope this is helpful for somebody. Being very grateful for any comments which I can then pass on to the manufacturers. Thank you.